Hey, I'm Ryan Canelli, and today we're going to talk about recovery. So our first line of defense would be to air these tires down and try to drive out of that. But let's say that's not an option and it's really slimy. So what we'd want to do is we'd want to get into our 12,000 pound X2O waterproof winch. 100 feet of cable, this is synthetic rope. We can pull 12,000 pounds on a single line pull. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put this winch in free spool. We're going to free spool out and we're going to hook up to something that's got more capacity than the winch itself. So we've hooked onto this Smittybilt D-ring. We're going to come back over here and we're going to lock up this cable. So now all the pulling power is on the drum. Using gloves, we're going to feed this cable back onto the drum. And now you can hear the tension of the vehicle. You're going to want, whatever your stable support vehicle is, somebody's going to be holding the brakes, otherwise you'll tear the parking pin out of it. And then on this side, you're going to want the driver to be giving it just a little bit of gas. Not enough to run me over, but enough to assist the winch pull. And that's going to get you out of these big holes where everything's glued down to the ground. So if you want to know more about the X2O winch, go to smittybilt.com.